this video, I will show you a quick way to adjust the canvas size. Many people, if they want to do that, they either go to image size, and adjust the size. And in this situation, you will change the size of both the canvas and the content. Or I'll press Ctrl Z, they go to image, canvas size, and do the same thing. But this time you will change the canvas size only. However, in many cases you need to adjust the size quickly without a specific measurements. To do that, simply you can use the crop tool to increase or to decrease the canvas size. But be careful about complete cropped pixel option and content aware option.